Quick, take cover. Man the battle station. The neighbors are attacking Scuds. Incoming Scud. If their aim gets any better, we're going to have to break out the Patriot missile. What do you think this is, the Hatfields and McCoys? I'm not a McCoy. I'm a McAllister. Look out! Oh, that was close. I think we got to build us a bomb shelter. This almost looks Chevrolet.
Yeah, but...
Well, and there's another Chevy over there I didn't even know was here.
No, that was
all right.
thing.
Here we have a 5-window cab. We got this corner window here that's been broken. That's obviously newer glass because it's the safety glass that breaks into little tiny pieces, because the stock glass broke like that. See that glass? See that glass right there? How it's broken and just pieces are still in there? That's the old style. None of these have windows that open. Look inside that. Wow, look at that cab. Holy cow, there's a lot of bugs here. Look at that. Dashboard's still intact. Engine and transmission are still in it. There's the hubcaps. The seats are long gone.
Well, they're always the first to go.
I have no idea what year this truck is. It's a split windshield, flat windshield, a 5-window cab. So that gives you an idea. It's early 50s at the newest. So I'm not even sure we can get to this one.
I don't think we can.
Well, let's give it a shot.
No problem. I just assumed it was still
back up so you can see what I'm doing actually. Okay. Here we go. Let's break off some salmon berries. These things grow back so fast.
They'll be grown before we leave.
Very likely. Ah. It has a Weyerhaeuser sticker, so a logger on this. A 3100. Give you an idea of the size of this truck. I believe that's a 1-ton. 3100. Some of you Chevy experts can tell me that. If I'm right on that one. This looks an awful lot like that 50 Chevy that I filmed before. I think it was a 50. Solid metal after all this. Alright, let's see if we can get this hood open. Down here so I can find the latch. This was last licensed in 1979.
I'm thinking I'm beginning to put a story together. He would buy a used truck and run it till it died, and then
just
put
push
it
it in the back, huh?
Yeah.
Could happen.
And he
Wouldn't be the first.
And he has a really good choice in cars, whoever had the cars, because his car, there's only one car back here. And so his cars ran forever, but his trucks didn't. Which is weird because normally you would expect it to be the other way around.
Well, it depends on how bad a shape they're in when you get them. Oh, this hood is just done.
Don't think it's getting open.
Yeah, it's not getting open. But how cool is that? We came here to find one vehicle, and we found what? 1, 2, 3, 4 so far?
So far.
And parts of several others. Wonder what else we're going to find nosing around this joint.
And almost 1,000 times more bugs.
Oh, yeah, thousands of bugs.